Got a Nissan Sentra between 2013 and 2022? You can likely program your key fob yourself. First, make sure all doors are closed and unlocked. Then, get in the driver's seat with your key fob ready and a fresh battery. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but don't start the engine. Wait 5 seconds. Now, press and hold the lock button on your key fob for 1 second. Turn the ignition off and remove the key. To program additional fobs, press the lock button on the next fob within 10 seconds, then turn the ignition back to on and repeat. You can program up to 5 fobs. To exit programming mode, turn the ignition to on one last time. The system should beep or the lights should flash to confirm. Exit the car and test the lock-unlock functions. If it doesn't work, repeat the process or get professional help. For 2023-2025 Nissan Sentra models, use the Nissan Connect app for key fob programming. Download the app on your smartphone and ensure it's updated. Start your Sentra and pair your smartphone with the car via Bluetooth through the app settings. In the app, navigate to Keys, then Add Key, and select Physical Key Fob. Follow the on-screen prompts to scan or manually enter your key fob details. The app will guide you through remote pairing. Confirm when the vehicle lights flash. Test the app's remote lock and unlock functions, and confirm your physical fob now works. If lights don't flash, check the key fob battery or reset by disconnecting the car's battery for 30 minutes.